Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to share that how can you download and install potplayer global. So for that you have to open a browser. I'm going to open Google Chrome. After that you have to make a search with potplayer. So whenever you make the search potplayer, there will be a link called global potplayer. So you have to click on global potplayer. So after that you will find two options, that's called 32-bit download and 64-bit download. So how you can decide that you have to download 64 or 32? So that's simple. You need to just click on your PC and make a right click and then go to properties. So here you can find your operating system bit actually 64 and its processor also 64. In my case it's 64, both of them, the processor and operating system. But if in your case your processor and operating system if 86, then you have to download the 32-bit one, this one. If your processor and operating system is 86, then you have to download 32. And in my case my processor and operating system is 64-bit, that's why I'm downloading 64-bit one. So I think that's clear, so I'm going to click on 64-bit download. So download already started. It will take few seconds. So as you can see, the potplayer downloaded complete. So I'm going to click on here. So it will be open up a pop-up window and asking for the permission. I want to allow it or not. So I'm going to click on yes. So after that it will be unpacked. So it will ask me for the language selection. I'm going to use English. If you want another language you can do so. So I'm going to continue with English and press OK. After that there will be another pop-up window which is setup wizard. So I'm going to click on next for continue, and there will be a license agreement. I'm just going to agree with them and I'm going to just leave as it is. After that there will be a button next. So I think it's okay to leave as it is because it's an installation folder where the program will be installed. So just click on install and it will be finished in few seconds. So yeah, you have to just check on this box and click on close. So it will download some recommended file and settings from the server. So after the finish installation process, you can find something like this. So now you can enjoy your media player with your video, audio and different kind of files. So as you can see, it's a multimedia player and the potplayer, I see it's work good with the latest operating system. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until that, goodbye.